Hello there, my darling rockstar DIYers. Today I'm sharing how you can have the absolute perfect Christmas with just 11 billion Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse Christmas decor ideas. From your home decor to your gifts and even your family photo, I've got you covered with this 11 billion Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse decor DIY video. Step 1, get in your car and drive to the Dollar Tree as fast but safely as possible. Step 2, buy one of everything, especially if it has a red truck on it, then buy two. Now that we're home from the Dollar Tree, let's go over some things you should always have on hand for doing farmhouse decor DIYs from the Dollar Tree. These are things I'm sure you all have lying around the house just taking up space. Some simple tools that are super easy to use. The next thing everyone who does farmhouse decor DIY should have plenty of on hand is white paint. I recommend buying it in bulk. And before we get into our DIYs, the last staple for any farmhouse decor DIY is plenty of buffalo plaid ribbon. Make sure you have roughly 400 yards on hand. Our first DIY is the perfect Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse Christmas tree. For this, you're going to want to pick up exactly 792 of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees, and you may want to pick up some of the garland to fill in the empty spots. Then simply work on attaching your trees to one another using a little glue. I'm sure it will hold together for years to come. Once you've assembled all of your trees and the glue has fully dried, be sure to load your Christmas tree full of farmhouse DIY ornaments, and you will be left with the most perfect Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse Christmas tree you have ever seen in your entire life. Subscribe. Now that we have the perfect Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse Christmas tree, it's time to start putting things underneath it. And for this one, we're using none other than a red truck from the Dollar Tree. I'm thinking outside of the box, and I'm actually going to be painting my truck green. We have a new driver in the house, and this year I want to make all of his dreams come true with the perfect DIY Dollar Tree farmhouse Christmas pickup truck. Once your paint has fully dried, go around your neighborhood and see if anyone has some spare parts to use. An engine, transmission, a few tires, and you are in business. Just throw everything together and don't mind if it makes a little rattling sound. Now you've got the perfect gift and you're riding in style all the way to the Dollar Tree. And what would Christmas be without the perfect Christmas dinner? For that, we're building a Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse dining room table. Just head to the Dollar Tree for 700,000 million bazillion of these tower games. Now they make the perfect thing to use because they're the only wooden product in the Dollar Tree. Then pull out your power tools and get to work. This is super simple, and soon you will be left with a beautiful custom farmhouse dining room table and chairs. And they are so sturdy, they will never fall apart. Your guests are sure to be wowed by your perfect Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse dining room table at your Christmas feast. But before the feasting can begin, we've got to get those cards in the mail. For this, pick up some buffalo plaid ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I know this looks like it's from Walmart, but trust me, it's from the Dollar Tree. You just can't find it. Add a little bit of buffalo plaid to all your family members, and you're sure to be left with the perfect family photo for your friends and family to enjoy. And that's all there is to achieving the perfect Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse Christmas. So I hope you guys will go ahead and follow me on all my social media platforms, Pinterest, Periscope, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I will have them all linked down below. And as a special gift to you and your family members, sit down and enjoy one of my videos together. But on a serious note, with way too much blush on, I hope you guys got a good laugh out of this video. I wanted to give you a little chuckle and wish you Merry Christmas from my family to yours. I will see you back in the new year with plenty of Dollar Tree DIYs. So from our home to yours, Merry Christmas. Attention, this video is not intended for anyone under the age of 18 years old. This video is not depicting anyone out of the Dollar Tree or DIY community. Any likeness is purely coincidence. This is actual footage of Auntie Cuckoo shopping in the Dollar Tree, and no, she is not shoplifting for thinking that you're going on the naughty list. If you would like to be put on the nice list, subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.